just want to share a few ways how I keep our bathroom clean, organized, with a few simple things that I've done. So firstly, you can see I have these towels that are custom embroidered. We used to have, everyone had a towel, their own color or different designs, and it just kind of looked really messy. So I bought some really nice towels and I had them embroidered by a local lady. And you can have them customized however you want. So it really just makes the bathroom look really clean, because if you think about it, everyone has towels in the bathroom, and it is kind of decorative if you want it to be. So what I did is, there's the four of us, so I had one set that says mother, father, son, daughter for my children and myself and my husband. I have another set with everyone's each of our names on it. You could do what you may have a design that you want to put, or something special, or some sort of motive, but you can have the same towel, but by putting a different embroidery or design on it, customize it that way, and it just really does make the bathroom look more clean, organized, and it really does look quite beautiful. The other thing I did was I just gave up on those toothbrush holders, because what I would find is the only person that would actually put their toothbrush in one of those holders was me. Everyone else would just kind of have them lying around, and it just always looked like such a mess. So I gave up on that, and I just bought a really nice tray. So this is an antique tray I bought off Etsy. And everyone is able to use their paste and their brush and then just throw it here. The other thing, I think it's also more hygienic than those toothbrush holders, because at the bottom of them they kind of get all damp and kind of gross. This is, you can just pick everything up and wipe it, and it's nice and clean. And the third thing is that if you have multiple sinks, do put a soap dispenser on each side, because what I would find is that if there's one, whoever's using it will just kind of leave it wherever they need it, and I that just kind of bothers me. Whereas if I have one soap dispenser on for each sink, then no one will move it, and it'll say nice and symmetrical and organized. So just another tip: if you have two sinks, have two soap dispensers, so it's less likely that people will move them around, because it's convenient. They have it right where they need it. Even though really, I could just have one in this bathroom, but when I had one, someone would use it and then just put it on the other side, and it just kind of looked messy. So, and the last thing is that I keep our rubbish bin in the cabinet. I don't like having rubbish, bins lying around, so it just kind of makes the space look a little clean. So just a few tips on how I've kind of cleaned the bathroom, made it look beautiful and more organized. Thanks, bye.